overwatering and low light. When growing succulents, what are the care tips? What are the things that you have to keep in mind when growing these succulent plants? Stop overwatering, and also you need to have a well draining soil and good drainage hole. Lotus succulent and jade plant. Top 5 secrets of growing succulents. Succulents like jade plant, lotus succulent, they need plenty of sunlight. So make sure to expose your plants to sunlight so that they will grow really well, because these plants store water in their leaves, so you can expose them to much of sunlight so that they will grow really very healthily. So the first step is to expose them to a lot of sunlight, morning sunlight, plus throughout the day. If you can locate it in a place where it get a lot of sunlight, these plants will grow really well. So if you have kept it indoors, make sure to keep it near a window facing the east or southeast will be better. So when talking about watering, you don't have to regular water these plants since they are succulents, but when watering you can do root watering. These plants can go maximum up to weeks, but you can water them once a week to the root. So these plants are succulents and you don't need to worry about regular watering. So now my plant needs some water because I didn't water them for about a week. This is a small cutting of jade plant. Lotus succulent you can grow with a single stem. Just leave it in the soil and they will start to root. And jade plant you can grow with single stem. Cut a small stem from the plant and you can grow it in no time. So now here I have a small stem of jade plant and I'm going to put it in the same pot. So okay, so that's how you do the propagation of these succulent plants. Pinching of the jade plant will allow it to grow more leaves. Pinch from the top of the leaves. Like you do in coleus plants, you can pinch the leaves. When talking about repotting of jade plants, you can do it once after the year. And also succulents also fit into any size of small pots, so you can go up to 1 year with the same pot, and after that you can go for repotting. And when talking about fertilizers, you can use any fertilizer that you wish that is full of nitrogen. So these plants are leafy plants, green plants, so you can add them. And also if you use coffee and tea fertilizer, they are full of organic nutrients, so use natural fertilizers like tea and coffee. So hope you find this video. If you are new, consider to subscribe for more gardening tips, care tips for plants and gardening, and for more gardening knowledge. I do my personal experience gardening, so hope you will love this too. Thank you.